Hi everyone, welcome back to the Technical Analysis YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at Nvidia stock, which is a stock that we have been monitoring but not covered over the last few days. Today we have a very great price action. Nvidia is actually bullish again. All right, so it has traded above the uh, moving averages, the 50-day moving average for quite a couple of days right now, and we can see quite bullish price action, especially for big bull rush up here. So this is what I call a bullish markup candle. So price opened at 124 and right now it's trading at 129. So mentioned previously in my previous videos, I have Nvidia shares at 129 average price, quite a lot of them actually. And I just executed a option trade. I just did a call contract at 133 with expiry date of 16 May, which is in 3 days. So not long. I do not like options with long expiry because I personally do not like to hold on to longer periods of time. I prefer a quicker turnover. But of course, this is just my own decision, and also whatever I shared here in this video is not financial advice of any kind. Always exercise your own due diligence and research before engaging the markets. So I've made a decision to resume my uh, covered call options. I also do buy cash secured puts when the price is attractive. So this is part of my options wheeling strategy. If you guys are interested to learn more about options wheeling, do comment in the comment box down below. I can teach you guys how to do options wheeling and also explain the concept of option wheeling to generate a constant steady stream of income, especially when markets are quite certain and also not much price movement. The options winning is a very great strategy to generate additional income. Okay, so what is actually powering this trade, or rather the price action of Nvidia recently, especially also we have a big bullish candle, and then yesterday we have a bullish pin bar. So two consecutive days of bullish price action for Nvidia. I would say this is mainly because of the de-escalation of trade tensions, something which I covered yesterday in my XRP video. I did mention that there is a huge de-escalation between the US and China, with both sides agreeing to slash their trade tariffs percentage quite drastically and to resume trade between both countries. So this, of course, is good news for Nvidia because Nvidia is a semiconductor manufacturer and a huge exporter as well for all countries worldwide. So therefore, the escalation in trade tension will come off definitely as a good news for Nvidia, and this has caused the share price to go up quite significantly today. So you can see this right now at the upper limit of the Bollinger Band and also above the previous swing highs. Therefore, I have decided, as I mentioned earlier in this video, that I have decided to sell a covered call here at 133. I don't think the price will hit 133 by this week, but there is a possibility of that happening. Of course, I'm not saying that's not going to happen, but just based on probability, I don't think it's going to happen because that will be way out of the Bollinger Band here. I suspect the next few days it will chop around the range of 125 and 130 possibly. And if that happens, it will be good for me because I collect the options with me. But if the price shoots up above 133 to 135 or even 140 as well, because my average price is around 129 to 130. So I still make money if regardless whether my option contracts expires or gets exercised, both scenarios I earn money. All right, so that's the big um, plus and a big advantage of doing options reading. This is something that I do quite regularly. All right, so let's continue to monitor the price of over the next few days, and let's see if there's any more bullish price action, and we will keep track of it together. Okay, so that's the end of my video for Nvidia today. I'll see you guys in the next one.